Hey there everyone, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to get a small business loan. So what is a small business loan? A business loan is a financial arrangement where a lender provides funds to a business owner. These funds are typically repaid with interest over a specified period. Business loans can be used for various purposes, such as covering operational costs, expanding operations, or investing in new equipment. Now let's tackle about understanding the types of small business funding. There are various sources of small business funding including traditional bank loans, government-backed loans, lines of credit, alternative lenders, and merchant cash advance or factoring. So traditional bank loans, these are offered by banks and credit unions with fixed interest rates and terms. While government-backed loans is supported by government agencies like the Small Business Administration, providing favorable terms. Lines of credit is a flexible credit lines that allow businesses to borrow up to a predetermined limit. For alternative lenders, non-traditional lenders that often have faster approval processes. For merchant cash advance or factoring, it is all about advances based on future credit card sales or accounts receivables. Next is, why do you want to borrow? Now, you need to clearly define the purpose of your loan, whether it's for inventory, hiring, marketing, or understanding your needs is very crucial. Next is, how much do you need? So, you need to calculate the exact amount you need to achieve your business objectives. Borrowing more than necessary can lead to unnecessary costs. Next is to research the market. Analyze your industry and competition. Understand market trends and assess how the loan will contribute to your business success. Now, next is, how much can you afford? You need to evaluate your financial capacity to repay the loan. Create a realistic repayment plan based on your cash flow projections. Next is, will you qualify? So review the eligibility criteria of potential lenders. Ensure you meet the requirements before applying to improve your chances of approval. The last one is, get organized and make your pitch. You need to prepare a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, financial projections, and how you intend to use the loan. Present your case confidently to potential lenders. Securing a small business loan is a strategic decision that can fuel your business growth and success. By understanding your needs, exploring funding options, and presenting a well-prepared plan, you can increase your chances of obtaining the financing you require. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to get a small business loan. See you on my next video.